Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can fix Bluetooth issue on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So let me tell you that if you are facing Bluetooth related problem on your Windows 10 computer or your Bluetooth device is not getting connected to your Windows device, then this video may be helpful to you. So watch this video till the end. So let me show you how you can fix your Bluetooth issue. First of all, try to turn on and turn off your Bluetooth setting and try to reconnect your Bluetooth device to your system. By this way, if your problem is not getting fixed, then just open Device Manager. For that, just open the search panel and search for Device Manager. So this is our Device Manager. Just open this Device Manager and here you will get all the device name and their drivers. So here look for your Bluetooth drivers. So here we have our Bluetooth drivers. So these are the drivers which are installed for my Bluetooth connectivity. So just try to disable or enable these drivers. Say for example, this Bluetooth device is not working. What I will do, I will first try to disable it. So just select the Bluetooth driver. Then here you will find the disable option. Just disable this driver. And here you get a warning. Simply click on yes. Here you can see this Bluetooth driver is disabled. Now try to enable it. To do that, just select the driver, then go to this enable option. And here you can see it is enabled. And now restart your computer and try to reconnect your Bluetooth device. Now by doing this also, if your Bluetooth device doesn't connect to your computer, then try to update that Bluetooth driver. For that, simply select the driver, then go to update option. So here we have the update device driver option. Just select this option and here select search automatically for the drivers. Simply click on it and it will start searching your drivers. So here you can see best driver for this device are already installed. Simply click on close. And again restart your computer and try to reconnect your Bluetooth device. If this method also doesn't work for you, then you can follow the last step. You can simply select the driver and try to uninstall the driver. Simply click on the driver and here we have uninstall device option. Simply uninstall that Bluetooth device. Here you can see we are getting warning. You are about to uninstall this device from your system. Simply click on install. Now what you need to do? Just restart your computer and try to reconnect your Bluetooth device. Now you may have a question how I can install that driver. To install that driver, just try to reconnect your Bluetooth device with your system. It will automatically install the required drivers for your Bluetooth device. So this will fix all your Bluetooth issue on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.